Okay, so let's talk about greeting and meeting people. So normally we have and use a handshake, even with a man or a woman. So handshake, straight away. Handshake. Another person does the same thing, handshake. And we say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Or normally, good day, good morning. Good day. Or how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Asking how you are. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. My name is Adrian. My name is James. My name is Tom. Makes sense. Nice to meet you, Tom. Nice to meet you, Adrian. Nice to meet you, James. Nice to meet you. Then you could, the person that heard or received nice to meet you could say likewise. Likewise. So you could say then, nice to meet you, James. Likewise, Adrian. Nice to meet you. Likewise. How cool is that? Likewise. Like-wise. Like the same. The same. Likewise. But then we could say, nice to meet you, or good afternoon. Depending on the time of the day, around 1 p.m., around 1, 2, 3 p.m. Or evening, it's in the evening. Like Eve, what does that word mean? Break it down, evening, Eve, Christmas Eve, Eve. It's in the evening of the next day, tomorrow Eve. So you're talking 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9 p.m., evening. The night time, 9, 10, 11, midnight. Till 3, 4, 5 a.m. Then it's morning. But morning. So 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10. Anything before 12 midday. Morning. Morning, evening. Morning, afternoon, midday. Then evening, then night. Morning, noon, evening, night. How cool is that? Okay. So, good morning, good day. Pleased to meet you. My name is Adrian. Nice to meet you. Nice. Pleased and nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depending on the time of the day. But then, normally, we use the first name. So, my name is Adrian. My name is Adrian. Nice to meet you. My name is Adrian. His name is James. His name is Tom. But last names is more formal. More formal, you see. Formal. Formal. Nice to meet you, comma, Tom Smith. Nice to meet you, James Smith. Nice to meet you, Adrian Nanchev. Nice to meet you, Tom Jones. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. My name is Tom Smith. And because we had the surname here, it's more formal. More formal, you see. Whereas only the first name is informal. Informal, more relaxed. Adrian, Tom, James. More relaxed. How cool is that? So, good morning, good day, pleased to meet you. My name is, nice to meet you. Good afternoon, evening. Good evening. How do you do? How do you do? Very formal, but people will still understand you. And you could say likewise. How do you do? I'm good. Likewise. Nice to meet you. Likewise. Good morning. likewise? Not really. Good evening, good night? Yeah, good night, likewise. Nah, it's more socially polite, accepted, I guess, to say the same. Good night, good morning, good evening, and beyond. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.